it's Sunday today and we're not long back actually from going out for a bit of a Sunday dinner. We decided to head out for a Sunday lunch at this place called El Jefe. So it's actually a Mexican restaurant, but they do a really fantastic Sunday lunch as well. So we decided to have the lamb shank, which you share it between two people, so that's what we had, and we also had it along with an alcohol-free margarita. So I'm just about to have a go at carving my pumpkin for Halloween. So I've went and bought a white one, actually that's what they had at Lidl when we went and bought our pumpkin, and I'm going to have a go at doing the design, which maybe I've seen it online, where it's a cat design, so you basically cut out the eyes and the eyes become the ears. So yes, I'm just going to show you how I got on with that. So I've managed to carve the face of our cat, and it actually looks like a cat. It's got its little fangs, and then we've got the two ears, but I need to figure out how I'm going to attach them. So when I was looking at how to do it, they actually use cocktail sticks or little toothpicks, but I don't have any of those, so I'm going to have to figure out a different way to attach them to the top of my pumpkin. And as you can see, Chester's joined us as well. Chester, figured it out. So I ended up using some screws. So what I did is I made a little hole where the ear would go, and then used a little screw and then basically stuck the ear on to the sharp end of the screw. So I'm just going to fix them a little bit and then I'll show you the finished result. Here we have the finished result. I think his ears might be two different sizes, but still looks cute. Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a little bit of a check-in for today. So it's Monday today and I'm actually just in the car with Chester, just taking him for a little vet appointment, a little check-up. He had something up with his eye for the last little while and he's just kind of getting checked to make sure everything's all good. So today we're actually getting the last room in our flat and we're getting the floors all sanded and finished, so I'm quite excited to see that, and hopefully we're going to be getting our room prepped for painting as well. So I'll let you know, I'll give you a little update when that's all done, let you see what it looks like, and that's pretty much what we've got on for today. So it's the next day and I just wanted to share with you our finished result for the kitchen floor. So we actually got that finished yesterday, so I thought I'd just show you just now. I'm just back from the dentist and I'm kind of counting down the minutes until I can have something to eat. So I'll just flip you around and show you our finished kitchen floor. So there we go, we've got our floor. It has been sanded and we've put on a clear varnish just so that we could still see all the detail and the knots and everything. Now, this isn't going to be the finished result for our kitchen. This is just kind of an in-between kitchen because we do plan to totally replace the kitchen, so that's still why we've got the old, the original kitchen cabinets there. But yeah, this is our finished result, and I'll put up a little before picture just so that you can see what it looked like before. So we still need to put some bits and pieces up on the walls and things like that, like artwork, maybe a clock and everything. But that is all the kind of decorating, as in painting, doing the floors, all that kind of stuff done. So I think that is actually the whole flat now. That's everything being painted, everything apart from our bedroom, and the floors have all been done. So now the next kind of step that we're going to be doing over the next couple of weeks is starting to put up things like pictures, artwork, starting to style up the different rooms and things like that. So I'm definitely going to show you what that ends up looking like when we do get round to doing that as well. Hi everyone, so it's a day or two later than since we last caught caught up. I've actually just been out having lunch with a friend and I'm just in the car about to head home. Just popped to a couple of shops to get some like toiletries and things, and I can't believe how dark it is outside. It's only 3:30, but the clocks went back last weekend and it's already starting to get dark here. I cannot believe how dark it is. So I'm going to head back home, and I'll probably, when I get home, I'm actually going to share a few things, winter bits of clothing, fashion bits that I've got recently, a few from Vinted and a few new pieces as well that I've gotten. So yeah, I'll just share that with you when I get home in the next little while. So it's actually a couple of days later since I last caught up with you. It's now Sunday, so I was meant to come home and do a little try-on session with some of the winter things that I've recently got, but got caught up with a few things. And yesterday, Saturday, I actually went to the rugby at Murrayfield with to see the Scotland and Fiji game. So I was a bit busy with that. What I'll do is I'll actually put a few clips at the end of this vlog just to let you see what that was like. So I'm going to actually bring you through to my kitchen just now, because I've got a lot better light through here. I'm going to show you the things that I was meant to show you a couple of days ago. So here I've got some new things that I've recently got just for winter, and I've also got some things that I got from Vinted, some sort of pre-owned things. So yeah, I'm just going to share with you what I have gotten. So the first thing that I've got here is a pair of black wide leg trousers that I have got from Zara. So as you can see, they've got like a nice stretchy waistband with some ties and things. And what I loved about these, I don't know if you can see it on camera with it being black, is they've actually got a sort of pleat running right down the front. What I'll do is I'll put in a little clip of me actually with them on so you can see what they look like. So, and they're actually made of, they're not made of like jogger material or anything, they're almost made of like a really thin, like brushed wool material. So they're perfect for autumn and winter. So yeah, so got these from Zara. So the next few things that I've got are actually all from Primark. So it's been a while since I've actually been into Primark. I don't really have one close by, so I have to go up to like Princes Street, the main sort of shopping street from where I live, or out to the one at Fort Kinnaird, which is a nice big one. So the first thing that I got from Primark was this Lakers sweatshirt. So it's a collared sweatshirt and it's actually got buttons to fasten it rather than a zip, which I really liked. I thought that was a little bit different. And then it's got obviously Los Angeles Lakers on it. It's actually more of a cropped jumper, and as you can see, it's got little toggles at the side, so you can kind of cinch it in and like and pull it in. I actually went for a medium just so that it was like a little bit more oversized, but it's really nice and soft, and I love as well that it's got the like little blue stripe, and the sleeves have got like elastic around them as well. So the next thing that I got from Primark was just a pair of leggings, not anything too exciting. I'll not actually show you with these on, but the thing that I loved about these is they're actually made of that brushed material on the inside. So it's not the plush ones, the velvet plush ones that are like almost like faux fur on the inside. These are quite a bit thinner, but I thought for those sort of warmer kind of autumn winter days, especially the days we've been having recently, these are perfect. They're not too hot, and they're actually fab for sort of transitional times. So yeah, that's my next thing that I got from Primark. Next few things I got from Primark were actually a few tops. So the first top that I'm going to show you is just a little black sort of crop top with quite a deep V-neck. I don't know if you can see that there. And this was actually reduced, so this was kind of in a pile of tops that were all reduced. I think they were all made sort of last of the ones in their sizes, and it's actually made of almost like what you would expect a sports bra to be made of. So it's actually quite thick and it's quite stiff. But it's very like secure when you have it on. You feel really secure, you feel really like everything's pulled in. So I really quite like that about this. So the next top that I got was one of these little kind of sleeveless, I wouldn't say cropped, but just like meets the top of your trousers top with the built-in bra. So I don't know if you've seen the ones that you can get from Uniqlo, and they've got the built-in bra on the inside, so you can kind of see the cups there, and it's not the kind of cups that move around. These are actually stitched in place. So I've been wanting to try one of the ones from Uniqlo for quite a while, but I find them quite pricey. I'm pretty sure they're over £20, whereas these ones from Primark are only £8, so a lot more affordable. And even just to see if I like that style of top. So the next top that I got was actually another one of those ones with the built-in bras, but this one is a stripy one, so it's got black and white stripes, and just like the red one, it's got the built-in bra, fixed bra on the inside, and it's just the same length, just a sort of touching, I would say probably the top of your trousers. So that was the last thing that I got from Primark. So the next couple of things I've actually got to show you are from Vinted. So the first item that I got was, it's an H&M cropped jumper. So cropped body, it's got quite nice wide sleeves, which is what kind of drew me to it. And it's made of this really super soft, like chenille fabric. So it's really soft, really comfortable, and I love that it's got like a little kind of polo neck as well, so it's actually really super cozy. And then the next thing that I got from Vinted was actually a coat. So this is another Zara piece, so it's a Zara coat, and it's not full length, but it's kind of, it's a long coat. It probably hits about my knees, and it's this kind of nice brown colour. It's got one button to fasten it up, nice deep pockets, and again it is super cozy, really thick and really good quality. And this wasn't actually that expensive from Vinted, and I think the person who was selling it had said that it was like, you know how you can say good, very good or whatever, and I think she said it was good, and I was like, you know, it's actually, I would say this is excellent. There is no you know, any shown of sort of wear on it or anything, so really happy with this find. So the last thing I want to show you in my little mini winter fashion haul is a bit of a splurge purchase, but it's something that I was wanting to buy last year and never got round to it, so decided to buy them this year, and it's the UGG Taz slippers. So last year they were out, and I think they sold out pretty quickly, and I remember looking on Vinted, looking, you know, online, different shops and everything, could not find them at all in my size or even in different colours. However, they've not long come back to some of the shops like Shoe and Size and things, and they're already selling out. So I decided to grab myself a pair. As I said, I've had my eye on them for quite a long time. So that's everything that I wanted to show you in my little mini winter fashion haul, and that is actually going to sum up my weekly vlog as well. So if you enjoyed watching and would like to watch the next one, make sure to like the video, switch on the notifications and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.